Hi, guys, welcome back. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook pumpkin chicken soup. Hope you like it. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime you need to cook this soup. Let's start cooking. Pumpkin chicken soup. Ingredients: pumpkin, drumstick, carrot, spring onion. Pour water into soup pot. Peel and cubes carrot. Cubes tomatoes. Diced spring onion. Pumpkin, remove skin and seeds, then cubes. Pour all ingredients into soup pot. Cover the lid and select soup button to cook soup. Soup is done, let's check it out. Season with salt to taste. This soup is delicious with pumpkin sweetness and not greasy at all. Give it a try too. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.